In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo on Yahoo Mail signature. First, let's start by opening Yahoo Mail. You will see the familiar Yahoo Mail interface on your screen. This is where all your emails are stored. It's essential to be in the right place because this is where you'll make the changes to your signature. Ensuring you are logged in properly allows you to access all the features you need. So if you aren't logged in yet, please do that now. Next, sign in to your account. Enter your username and password, then click the Sign In button. This step is crucial because you need access to your account settings. If you encounter any issues while signing in, double-check your credentials. Once you successfully log in, you'll be presented with your inbox. This is your starting point for all the changes you are about to make. Now let's click on Settings. You can find this option usually represented by a gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking this icon opens a drop-down menu. This menu is where you will find various options to customize your Yahoo Mail experience. Accessing settings is vital because it leads you to the tools you need for editing your signature. From there, select More Settings. This option will take you to a new menu where you can adjust various settings in more detail. You'll see categories on the left side of the page. This part of the process is important because it allows you to navigate to specific settings for your email account. Once you're in the More Settings menu, you'll feel one step closer to personalizing your email signature. Next, click on Writing Email. This section contains settings specifically related to how you compose emails. You will see options to adjust your email writing preferences, including the signature section. Understanding where to go for these specific settings is key to ensuring your emails represent you well. At this point, turn on Signature. You will usually find a toggle switch or checkbox to enable this feature. This step is essential because it activates the signature feature in your email. When you turn it on, you're indicating that you want to include a signature at the bottom of your emails. This small change can make a big difference in how your emails are perceived. Once that is done, click inside the signature box. This is where you will input your customized signature. You'll see an empty box ready for your content. It's important to be in this box to add the logo and other details you wish to include. This prepares the area for what you want your recipients to see. Now, drag and drop your logo into the signature box or copy and paste the image if supported by your browser. You'll notice that the logo appears right in the box. This is a great way to visually brand your emails. Your logo will enhance your professional image and make your emails stand out. After that, add your name, title, and contact details. Make sure to format this information clearly. This is crucial because it allows recipients to know who you are and how to get in touch with you. A well-organized signature is not just informative, it also reflects your professionalism. With these steps completed, you have successfully added a logo to your Yahoo Mail signature. This makes your emails look more professional and helps in branding your communications. Reassure yourself that you can always revisit these settings to make changes later if needed. How?